How many of us have them? Friends, ones we can depend on. Friends, how many of us have them? Friends, before we go any further, let's be friends.
You don't know, my friends. I know how to do that, my friends. My friend, I'd like you to... My friends can overcome it. My friends, the last news is bad. So let's not raise anybody's taxes, my friends. What the problems are, my friends. With our wonderful Ronald Reagan. My friends, what we have to do, let's look at our records, my friends. That's the good news, my friends. Bad news is we lost. By the way, my friends, I know you grow a little weary of this. I vote against them, my friends. I vote against them. But we've got to drill offshore, my friends, and we've got to do it now. My friends, training, my friend. Let me just follow up, my friends. There was a lot at stake there, my friends. That requires a cool hand at the tiller. In Lebanon, I stood up to President Reagan, my hero. My hero is a guy named Teddy Roosevelt. I'll get Osama bin Laden, my friends. I'll get him. I know how to get him. I'll get him no matter what. And I know how to do it, my friend. But at the end of the day, my friend, we need steady hand at the tiller.
You know, excuse me, I stole for that. Thank you. It was unexpected outlets. Not when I done. I think without, you know, excuse me, I stole for that. Thank you. It was unexpected outlets. Not when I done.
Look, we got guns like the military, killing bury all the ops until I fill a cemetery. 50 clip in every stick I carry, I'm a visionary. Riding with the 40 by me, 2021 form. My brother on parole, he's still riding with his gun on.
You better stop praying to God right now, because you're dealing with the devil.